Shakey's B-League rolls along. That's the Saturday schedule. Again, pag Sabado po ng hapon, 12:45 tayo. The rest of the week, Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. tayo sa GMA News TV.
Oh,
That's down.
beautiful. Bate going down the line. Getting the point.
Ang hirap pick upin ng down the line din, ano? Pag
Yes.
tusok na tusok, ano?
Yung gilid na gilid, yung may mga magagaling talaga na yun ang target eh. Yung gilid. Valaranas now, 2 excellent sets. Argarin with 4.
Kasi ang hesitation mo is whether outside or inside. Awkward ka na to begin with. Sandra!
Well, ang umpisa kasi nun, dapat ang blockers, wala na dapat dadaanan yung bolang
That's
yan.
true. That's even better. Relota sets this up. That is brushed against the block by Bate, who has a nice smile for all of you.
And Bate going down, trying to go down the line once more. Medyo na-deflect ng blocker pero was not enough to put that ball back. So point goes to USC.
Let's go with Irish Cortez. Cases, nice set. De Los Santos, malakas ang palo ni Sandra, ha? But that also refuses to stay down. Sartin whips it nicely to the other side. Relota, dink by Praca. Longest rally.
Yup, both teams with excellent defense, but now free ball given to Perpetual.
Sartin, huli ka.
Braca and Panis for that block.
The other thing that has improved tremendously is the blocking. They realize that they're not so small. They can jump with these Manila teams.
So far, USC 5 attack points. Ang Perpetual, more than doubling that with 11.
Long. But you know, we've also learned through the years when we've had teams from Bacolod, from Cebu, may homesickness din na pumapasok. Understandable naman yan.
Namiss ang Cebulechon.
Oh, dami. Shoot.
Otap.
Oh, dami. Larsian. Long! Naku! Abigail, pinalo mo ang coach.
No
ng
spin at all.
Perpetual. Tusok na tusok.
Na-block nga ni coach eh.
Oh. Sabi ko nga sa mga coaches dito, maglakad ka sa gitna ng warm-up ng volleyball, hindi ka tatamaan talaga ng bola eh. 18-11.
Oh, Bate going for the dink. Cases, cross court.
Getting to be too easy. Sartin will reprise her role as server for the Lady Altas.
Ang maganda pa din sa palo ni Joy Cases, iwas na iwas sa blockers. Tapos tuloy ang dali-dali, di ba? That's why you said nga, mukhang ang dali-dali niyang tignan.
Yes, indeed. Back set. Off-speed hit. They reset. Cases. That's off the block. Relota. Bate.
Oh, Bate trying to go down the line, but no go. Out. Bate 4 attack points already in this game. Si Cases naman having 3.
Ang problema ng USC is when they fall behind by too much and they can't recover. For Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be shaky.
That's true, and poor reception there as Sartin gets that ace.
Timeout taken by USC.
Makita ko tagaan ng gulat ang center niya, walay ulang game siya. Nagalit siya, hindi niya makapak sa yung gulat, hindi mo gihirap. Kung naidok ko lang, makapak ko. Kung naidok ko lang, saan magpatay na? Nag-isip ka nagpatay sa hapak, alam pa yung drop at umunod. Kaya ilan na naging patay ng gulat ng drop daan. Center na, nagkakit. Lagyan po niya na.
Action resumes. 21-11 is our count. Hirap talaga yung mga Cebuana pag nasilong sila eh. Pag natambakan sila, hirap sila to come back eh.
Of course, again, that tells you yung composure. Yun
Yes.
yung something also that they have to learn.
Saka yung reception nila is something they will really have to work on.
Minsan kasi, di ba, kung nasa Cebu ka, let's say, nasa province ka, and champion ka doon, minsan, dahil sa sobrang lakas ng team mo, tapos ang dali sa'yo naging champion, pagpunta mong Manila, nagugulat ka eh.
Ah,
Dun sa
that's
level
true.
of play.
which we experience when we visit Japan, Korea also.
Yes, exactly.
Diba?
Oh, pag Pilipinas naman, 'di ba? But this is the way to go. You should go out. You should you join tournaments na alam mo naman
Yes.
kahit na matatalo ka.
I agree.
Yung experience will be there.
You play them more, the higher the chances of you beating them.
Kasi sabi nga nila, 'di ba? Bakit ka lalaban lagi dun sa alam mong talo mo?
Ah.
At hindi naangat yung level of play mo.
De Los Santos offering a free ball. Relota, the dig by Praca. Abigail Praca. Cases is blocked neatly.
Turn back.
Turn back indeed. That's the proper description there. Bate unloads. Nice movement on the floor by Perpetual. Look at the way they diagram their place on the floor. That's off the block and out.
Ganda ng exchanges doon ng both squads, and Bate finally getting that bounce and getting the point.
Alam mo, volleyball is one game wherein it is also key how you move without the ball.
Correct. Kaya nga may bigoy, di ba? May combination play.
How you move without the ball. Close to the net, one-handed set, emergency situation.
Argarin taking that one.
Yun ang sinasabi mo nga eh. No? Sometimes, yung one-handed set, hindi sinasadya, kaso lang masyado malapit sa net na eh.
It's more of yung parang reflex action ng setter na hindi mo na pwedeng gagawa mo na lang ng paraan.
Hindi ko pwede dalawang kamay ito. Papangit ang lipad ng bola eh.
And otherwise, pag di mo tinalon yun, it's a free ball given to the other side.
That's even better.
So, Diaz now with 3 attack points.
But we're at set point because Perpetual has hit 24. It's 13 serving against 24. Condada. Elbinque. Relota. May sinabi si Diaz, nagulat siya.
Hey girl, ano lang yan,
Okay
nagulat
lang.
lang. Oh, good move there. Sulga on that off speed. Yan yung sinasabi mo kanina, yung mga variations na nakikita natin. Ang maganda dyan is binabasa na nila yung kalaban.
Saka yung blocking formation, ano, ganito play natin. Cases is turned back, rejected. De Los Santos, tapos na, first set. At tumama sa net ang player ng San Carlos. 25-14 is the count at the end of the first set. Let's rewind the digital tape for the digital master and take a look at our Shakey's Shaken play. Second set coming your way in a moment.